TeamViewer is a popular remote access software that lets you control another PC, share your screen, and transfer files securely. Simply follow this step by step guide to download and install TeamViewer on your Windows or macOS device. So let's get started. Firstly, open any of your web browser, then in search address bar, search for the TeamViewer. Then simply press enter. And once you're inside the TeamViewer official website, all you have to do is you can see free download option available there. First of all, let's manage this cookies option. Then you can see free download in the top right corner. Tap on it. Then you'll be navigated to the download section. From there you can see free option available at the left side. Tap on the download for free, but if you want to get a paid version, then you can do accordingly and tap on it. So we are downloading the free version. Simply choose which PC you are using, Windows, Mac OS, Linux or any other. So here I am choosing the Mac OS. Scroll down and there you can see download option available. If you choose Windows, then you can simply tap on the Windows and there you can see 64 or 34-bit option available. Choose any according to your preferences. Then tap on the download and wait for a few moments for it to be downloaded. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.